Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an affordable way to share memories with your loved ones or find the perfect gift that keeps on giving, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the best deals on Amazon, a premium digital photo frame under $100 that might just blow your mind. Stay tuned and don't forget, you will find the link to the product in the description, and please subscribe to the channel for more honest and helpful reviews. Why the Annabella Digital Photo Frame stands out in a world full of generic digital photo frames. The Annabella model shines with a sleek 10.1-inch IPS HD touchscreen, delivering stunning 1280x800 resolution. The visual quality is extraordinary. Vibrant, crystal clear, and viewable from any angle thanks to its IPS technology. Whether it's grandma admiring vacation memories or your partner watching funny video clips, every photo comes alive. What makes it even better? It's a premium digital photo frame under $100, giving you premium features without breaking the bank. Stay connected instantly with wireless sharing. Say goodbye to emailing or manually uploading photos with the Amor app. Compatible with both iOS and Android, you can send photos and 15-second video clips directly from your smartphone to the frame, anytime, from anywhere. Imagine being on vacation and instantly sharing a beautiful beach sunset with your parents back home. You will find the link to the product in the description, and please subscribe to the channel if you love content that helps you make smart buying decisions. And the best part? No subscription fees, ever. Just connect and start sharing. Smart features that make life easier. Auto-rotate, whether you place it vertically or horizontally, the frame adjusts the image orientation perfectly. No more sideways photos. Built-in light sensor automatically adapts screen brightness to the room, easy on the eyes and energy efficient. Massive storage with 32 GB internal memory and expandable SD card support up to 128 GB, you can store over 40,000 photos. The perfect gift for every occasion. Whether it's Mother's Day, Father's Day, or a spontaneous surprise, the Annabella digital frame brings people together. Preload it with family memories and watch their faces light up with joy. It's especially ideal for grandparents who may not use social media but still want to stay updated with your life. Built to last with warranty protection. Every unit undergoes 200 hours of machine testing to ensure flawless performance. Plus, Annabella offers a 360-day warranty, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. If anything goes wrong, their responsive customer service is ready to assist you promptly. Why it's better than other frames. On Amazon. Other frames at this price point often lack Wi-Fi, touch screen capability, or decent resolution. Some even charge hidden subscription fees. Annabella offers Wi-Fi sharing with no fees, high-resolution IPS display, easy-to-use app, huge storage durable, tested build quality, all for under $100. It's not just better, it's unbeatable. Final thoughts. Get yours today. If you're searching for a digital photo frame under $100 that delivers high-end performance, long-lasting quality, and joyful memories, look no further. The Annabella 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame is the smart, affordable, and heartfelt choice. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.